Hi, I'm Jeff Zients. I'm the President's COVID response coordinator here at the White House. Today I want to talk to you about President Biden's new COVID plan to move forward safely. The goal of the President's plan is for us to return to our normal routines and no longer have COVID dictate how we live our lives. The first component of the President's plan is to protect against and treat COVID-19. Importantly, our most effective tool remains getting vaccinated and getting boosted. 3 out of 4 adult Americans, 215 million Americans in total, are fully vaccinated. That's real progress. We have a plan in place to distribute vaccines to kids under 5 as soon as they're authorized by the CDC and FDA. President Biden has launched a test and treat initiative that will allow people to go to their local pharmacy, take a test. If the test is positive for COVID, they'll get immediate access to life-saving pills. In fact, they're 90% effective against preventing hospitalization. We've made free tests available to all American households through covidtests.gov. It's really easy to use, and the tests are free. Starting next week, you can go back and get another round of free tests. The second pillar of the President's plan is preparing for new variants. This virus has proven to be unpredictable. The President's plan enables us to detect new variants earlier, faster, and with greater precision. And we have the ability, if needed, to create a new vaccine that would address a new variant in a matter of 100 days, rather than in months or years. The third pillar of the President's plan is to prevent economic and educational shutdowns. We know how to keep businesses and schools open. Since President Biden took office, we've had the strongest economic growth in 40 years. Under President Biden's leadership, kids are back in the classroom, doing in-person learning. And the President's plan will ensure that the resources are there to continue to have kids learn in person in the classroom. Pillar 4 of President Biden's plan is vaccinating the world. To protect the American people and the American economy, we must defeat the virus everywhere. And President Biden has led the effort to vaccinate the world. The President's plan calls for continuing to donate more and more vaccines to the world and doubling down on our efforts to help turn vaccines into vaccinations, getting shots in arms across the globe. With this new plan, we're no longer going to allow COVID to dictate how we live our lives. Rather, we're going to move forward safely.